The Maniwell Jahrin Award for Academic Excellence 2020-21 was conferred on successful students of the SSLC Examination 2020-21. The ceremony had taken place recently at the Maharam Government Higher Secondary School Hall, Mawkyrwat, in the presence of the children of late Maniwell Jahrin, Pearly Syiem Marak and Rosamund Syiem, the Minister in charge of PHE Department, Renikton Tongkhar, the Deputy Commissioner, West Khasi Hills District, Carimai Kharkongor, besides teachers and students of various educational institutions. Recipients of the Maniwell Jahrin Award for Academic Excellence 2020-21 included Deus Vobiscum Wanyang of the Presbyterian Secondary School Maulangwir, who scored an average of 87.16% in the SSLC exams of 2020, and the topper of the SSLC exams 2021, Daimaya Lingdo Shillong of the Maharam Government Higher Secondary School, who scored an average of 90.33%. Apart from the two toppers, 21 other students of schools within Mawkyrwat block had also received an award for the excellent performance in various examinations.
We all need somebody to lean on. Just might have a problem that you understand. We all need somebody to lean on me. When you're not strong, I'll be your friend, and I'll help you carry on.
You have received the award this evening. I think more than the award that you have received, you will be more benefited when you learn from this family, from this great family. You may forget or your material gift that you get, it may last for some time. You may finish them in hardly few months, but the teaching that you got from this family, Maniwell Jahrin, it will last for life. You should not forget this lesson, this message from this family of our giant leader of this area, Maniwell Jahrin.